How to remove profile picture in TikTok. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to explain how to change your profile on TikTok. While you can't completely remove your profile picture with a single click, this process is still quite simple and I'll guide you through it. First, you have a couple of options. You can place your current profile picture with a blank image, either black or white. To do this, open the TikTok app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, select Edit Profile. Here, you can either take a photo with the camera or upload a blank image that you have saved on your phone. This blank picture will be visible to others until you choose to upload a new one. Keep in mind that this change won't affect any other details or features of your account. Next, the other option is to use TikTok's default placeholder avatar, which appears when no profile picture is uploaded. To find this image, simply search online for TikTok empty profile picture. Once you download it, you can upload it as your new profile picture, which will make it look like you don't have an image at all. And there you have it. Remove profile picture in TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.